Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I hope you all are doing well. Appreciate you watching the video today. I've got a very hard to find 2013 Pete 389 glider kit with a 6NZ cat. That's the kicker there. It does have a cat in it, so it's super rare. 6NZ, 18 speed, 546 overall. I've gotten it hot this morning, so I'll show you blow by, oil pressure, do a full walk around for you. We'll show you what we got today. Let's get started. There's your coolant, oil pressure on the low side. Nice and responsive. That ABS light on we'll need to take care of. It's got a small bump, small flat top one in the back. Nice vocational unit. If you need just enough of a sleeper, this is it. Got some rust on it, nothing that's eaten through it. The blow by to this side. Pretty good indicator of the blow by. I'm thinking that temp moderate for those miles, I think. Got a good look to it. I love the wheelbase and the side sleeper that this one comes with. It's got a split tank there as well. If you wanted the wet kit, there you go. The inside of it. It's got, like I said, it's got some rust on it, but it's nothing that's detrimental to the frame. Air track suspension. It's got a blockable fifth wheel too, which is nice if you're going to pull frameless. Really no body or paint damage. All of that looks really good. Tanks are in good shape. Exhaust looks like it's in good shape. Appreciate you watching. If you got questions, hit me up at 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks.